computer programmer. Computer programmer. What computer programmers do? Computer programmers write and test code that allows computer applications and software programs to function properly. They turn the program designs created by software developers and engineers into instructions that a computer can follow. In addition, programmers test newly created applications and programs to ensure that they produce the expected results. If they do not work correctly, computer programmers check the code for mistakes and fix them. Duties. Computer programmers typically do the following: write programs in various computer languages, such as C++ and Java. Update and expand existing programs. Test programs for errors and fix the faulty lines of computer code. Create and test code in an integrated development environment. Use code libraries, which are collections of independent lines of code, to simplify the writing. Programmers work closely with software developers, and in some businesses, their duties overlap. When such overlap occurs, programmers can do work typical of developers, such as designing programs. Program design entails planning the software initially, creating models and flowcharts detailing how the code is written, writing and debugging code, and designing an application or systems interface. A program's purpose determines the complexity of its computer code. For example, a weather application for a mobile device will require less programming than a social networking application. More straightforward programs can be written in less time. Complex programs, such as computer operating systems, can take a year or more to complete. Software as a service, which consists of applications provided through the internet, is a growing field. Although programmers typically need to rewrite their programs to work on different system platforms, such as Windows or OS X, applications created with software as a service work on all platforms. Accordingly, programmers writing software as a service applications may not have to rewrite as much code as other programmers do and can spend more time writing new programs. Work environment. Computer programmers held about 185,700 jobs in 2020. The largest employers of computer programmers were as follows. Computer systems design and related services companies account for 36%. Finance and insurance companies account for 8%. Manufacturing industry accounts for 6%. Software publishers account for 6%, and self-employed workers account for 2%. Programmers usually work alone, but sometimes with other computer specialists on large projects. Because writing code can be done anywhere, many programmers work from their homes. Work schedules. Most computer programmers work full-time. How to become a computer programmer. Most computer programmers have a bachelor's degree in computer science or a related subject. However, some employers hire an associate's degree. Most programmers specialize in a few programming languages. Education. Computer programmers typically need a bachelor's degree in computer and information technology or a related field, such as mathematics. However, some employers hire workers with other degrees or experience in specific programming languages. Programmers who work in specific fields, such as healthcare or accounting, may take classes in that field to supplement their computer-related degree. In addition, employers value experience, which many students gain through internships. Most programmers learn a few computer languages while in school. However, a computer science degree gives students the skills to learn new computer languages quickly. Students get hands-on experience writing code, testing programs, fixing errors, and doing many other tasks that they will perform on the job. To keep up with changing technology, computer programmers may take continuing education classes and attend professional development seminars to learn new programming languages or about upgrades to programming languages they already know. Important qualities. Analytical skills. Concentration, detail-oriented. Troubleshooting skills. Licenses, certifications, and registrations. Programmers can become certified in specific programming languages or vendor-specific programming products. Some companies require their computer programmers to be certified in the products they use. advancement. Programmers who have general business experience may become computer systems analysts. With experience, some programmers may become software developers. They may also be promoted to managerial positions. See the profiles of computer systems analysts, software developers, and computer and information systems managers for more information. Pay. The median annual wage for computer programmers was $89,190 in May 2020. The median wage is when half the workers in an occupation earned more than that amount and half earned less. The lowest 10% earned less than $51,440, and the highest 10% earned more than $146,050. In May 2020, the median annual wages for computer programmers in the top industries in which they worked were as follows: software publishers $103,710, finance and insurance $92,390, manufacturing $89,530, computer systems design and related services $88,510. Most computer programmers work full-time. Job outlook. The employment of computer programmers is projected to decline 10% from 2020 to 2030. Despite declining employment, about 9,700 openings for computer programmers are projected each year, on average, over the decade. Those openings are expected to result from the need to replace workers who transfer to other occupations or exit the labor force, such as retirement. Employment opportunities. Computer programming can be done from anywhere globally, so companies sometimes hire programmers in countries where wages are lower. This ongoing trend is projected to limit employment growth for computer programmers in the United States. However, the high costs of managing projects given to overseas programmers sometimes offset the savings from the lower wages, causing some companies to bring back or keep programming jobs in the United States.